Hi, good morning, welcome back to Mike Makes It. A bit of a repair video on the Land Rover. A few years ago I bought a whole set of these sealed LED units, fit around all the corners of the Land Rover, brake, side lights, indicators, etc. In a view to thinking they were LEDs, never have to replace them again. With the filament bulbs, every few years bulb would blow, you had to whack a new bulb in there. No biggie, but LED technology and all that coming forward, I thought great, we're sorted. Not so though. This one should be flashing the indicator down here. It's not. I'm assuming, hopefully, it's not the cables. It's the unit itself has failed. So I've bought a spare one here. We're going to have a look under the truck, see how we're going to get it, and how we're going to change it. But when I fitted it, it was simply 2 screws there. The cable on my Defender, one of them, and that was a straight swap with the existing bulbs that were on there, or lamp units that were on there. Depending on your age of the vehicle, you may have to swap the 2 cables over. You may even have to cut the end of the connector off and mate it up with your old system. But luckily on mine it was just plug and play, literally. So we'll have a little look underneath, see what we got to do and where we got to get to. Right, my vehicle's a right-hand drive, so I'm on the off side or driver side in the UK. I'm looking just under the fuel filler cap here, so underneath there, and this is where we need to get to. I don't know if I can actually point. 2 secs, I've got to get under here. This is like a weather plate, keep a lot of the rubbish and dirt off your actual cable connectors. But up here, I think this might be it. That's the connector I need to get to, so I'm going to disconnect this, hanging the new unit in on this connector. If it works, that is, I'm right, it's the lamp unit itself has failed. If it doesn't work when it's connected to this, then I've got bigger problems. So we'll look this in and see how we go. Right, okay, I've got the hazards flashing away. It's a bit of a weird angle. Hopefully you can see I'm not blocking the shot. Let's see if we can get this to pieces. Right, let's got that out. Let's hook the lamp unit in. There we go, right way round. Right, so lights flashing. So it is a failed lamp unit. So let's get the old one out, new one in. It's a dead easy swap for all the bulb units on the truck. Literally 2 screws that are supplied, stainless steel screws. Too long in my opinion, but obviously it's one size fits all. So just whip these 2 out. Comes with a little rubber gasket. I say rubber, it's not rubber, it's like some sort of foam gasket that just goes under the head of the bulb, and you simply screw it back in, and like I said before, just plug and play on mine. But I bought these lamps with a view to thinking I'm never going to have to swap them again, but clearly that's not the case. I think there's a tie wrap in there just holding that, so I'll clip the tie wrap and we'll get this out. There we go. There's a new lamp unit. Pop that through the old. It's already got the little rubber seal on the back here. You can see that. I'm just connecting it up at the back. Bear with me, I haven't got the hazards on, so it's not immediately going to flash. We'll test that once it's back together. Right, just flash in front of the camera. I don't think there's a right way or wrong way of fitting these in, but I do it so the writing's upwards, just so it looks better. But yeah, let's get this screwed in and we're done. There are holes pressed in the neoprene rubber here. I say neoprene, hopefully it is. for the screws to go through, so just line those up. But don't do them too tight. You're going to crush the lens if you get in here and start screwing these bolts up, or these screws up too tight. There's no need to. You just want to nip them. That's just seated, so quarter of a turn, half a turn, just snug it up. Let's go and put the hazards on, see if it works. Well, there you go, all fixed. Hopefully I won't get any more that go. I was quite surprised that the LED lamp unit did fail, but in this case that's what's happened, so so be it. I've got a spare one on that now as well. I ordered 2, so hopefully that'll keep me going for a while. Anyhow, thanks for watching Mike Makes It.